Wanted for law enforcement officer killed or seriously injured in line of duty on Sunday, March 12, 2023 at 9:19 p.m. at 811 Market Street, Herman, Missouri. Suspect 1, Kenneth Lee Simpson is a white, male, age 35, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 180 pounds, has red hair and hazel eyes. Last seen wearing unknown clothing. Known to be armed with unknown type of firearm. Suspect vehicle is a black 2014 Jeep Ranger bearing Missouri registration RF5, A0P. Vehicle/suspect last seen with an unknown direction of travel. Suspect shot 2 Herman Police Department officers and fled the scene. Unknown if the suspect is on foot or in a Jeep Ranger. Unknown direction of travel from Casey's. Alert sent to the Troop F, Troop C, and Troop I areas. If located, contact your local law enforcement or call 911.